new to me bag. So it is a Celine brand, and I actually got this one about 3 months ago from Fashion Pile. Here we go. This is the Celine, and I forgot what the color this one is. It is in excellent condition. There's really no damage to the leather. The only thing over here you're dealing with is dust. And over here, I have to clean it up because it's a built up dust here. But it's a really good condition. This pillow right here, I got it from the comforter set that I bought from Belk, and it fits perfectly with this purse. And it's a huge purse. The inside doesn't have stain. Again, you're just dealing with a lot of dust. So it looks like the previous owner haven't used this bag as much. So probably just been sitting on the closet without dust bag, or because there's so much dust inside, especially in the corner here. But other than that, it is such a beautiful bag. No major or damage to the bag. You have a little bit of discoloration here, but it does not bother me because you can't really notice it. You have to actually this much closer to see the discoloration to here on this part here. This has always been my dream bag, and the only available on the website is black, those neutral color, and they're a lot pricier if you buy it brand new. Since I got it pre-loved, this is such a good deal from Fashion Pile.